Hey guys, welcome to Burns Car Sales. Here's another video featuring one of our SKODA approved used vehicles.
This is a 201 registered SKODA SCALA style. It's a 1 litre TSI, 115 brake horsepower with a 5-speed manual transmission. It features halogen headlights with LED dipped beams. It has LED daytime running lights and LED tail lights. The SKODA SCALA style has 16-inch Tecton steel wheels, black exterior electric heated mirrors, colour-coded door handles. It has a large boot space and parcel shelf, split folding rear seats for extra space. It has a full-sized spare wheel conveniently stored beneath the boot floor. The rear passenger space is comfortable. It has centre armrest with cup holders and has ISOFIX child seat anchor points. The front has driver passenger airbags, including front side curtain airbags and driver knee airbag. Features a leather multifunctional steering wheel, has hill hold start, cruise control with lane assist, active steering and a speed limiter. The SKODA SCALA style features the swing infotainment system. It features Bluetooth phone connectivity. The interior of this SCALA style is finished in half leather seats and also features a panoramic sunroof.
For more details on this or any of our SKODA approved used vehicles, give us a call on 071 916 1500 or call in and see us here on the Old Dublin Road in Sligo. Thanks for watching, and until the next time, safe driving.